Bitcoin trades above $69,000, Ether stays below $3,700. Bitcoin backs $2 billion inflows, Ether sees highest institutional buying since March. South Korea labels mass-produced NFTs as virtual assets. Orbit chain hacker moves $48 million to Tornado Cash after months of silence. Intel and AFDB to train millions of Africans in AI. Hello and welcome to 3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as investors eyed the Fed's interest rate decision and inflation data for guidance. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, wobbled in the $69,000 zone. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
Well, IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 88,000 points. Now, interestingly, Donald Trump, the former US president, has pledged to embrace the title of crypto president during a recent fundraising event. He pledged to swiftly overturn the existing administration's adversarial stance on the crypto industry within the first hour of assuming office. According to Hodl 15 Capital stats, the 11 ETFs purchased 25,729 Bitcoin during the trading week of June 3 to 7, totaling nearly $1.83 billion. And that's around 8 times more than 3,150 new BTC mined within the same period. The quantity of Bitcoin acquired in the week alone was nearly as much as the entire month of May, totaling 29,592 BTC. Furthermore, the open interest in Bitcoin futures rose 0.60%, mirroring the rise in spot price. On the other hand, Ethereum's open interest fell 0.72%. In the last 24 hours, the number of traders betting on Bitcoin's price decline surged dramatically vis-a-vis those who took long positions, suggesting the dominance of bearish sentiment. Moreover, Ethereum witnessed a similar trajectory, with the world's second largest crypto consolidating in the $3,600 region. In the past 24 hours, 26,965 traders were liquidated, with the total liquidations coming in at $41.52 million. Nearly equal amounts of long and short liquidations reflected the flatter trajectory. The global crypto market cap was at $2.53 trillion mark, decreasing 0.3% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 5% to $54 billion. Separately, Bitcoin mining output in May saw a 47.1% decline, with Stronghold Digital Mining reporting a 47.1% decrease. The company mined 82 BTC in the first full month following the halving, compared to 155 BTC in April. Revenues for the month fell 46% to $5.2 million, with Stronghold attributed the drop to the halving. Nevertheless, the approval of spot Ether ETFs has opened Pandora's box for another altcoin ETF in the US, namely Solana ETF, which could depend on political changes following the upcoming 2024 US presidential elections. In another interesting piece of news, the market experts believe that in comparison to other altcoins, Solana has the largest market value, making it the frontrunner to be the next altcoin ETF. Well, the crypto market is currently experiencing a significant sell-off, with XRP experiencing a 103% surge in trading volume. This surge is attributed to the increasing attention on XRP amid broader market turmoil. The sell-off has resulted in $410 million in liquidations in the last 24 hours, the highest total since mid-April. XRP trading volume has more than doubled in the last 24 hours. US stock futures traded lower after a winning week as traders looked ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision and May inflation data. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell about 0.3%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures traded lower by 0.2%. Talking about Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, was trading at $69,400, up by 0.2%, whereas Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.4% to trade at $3,675. Binance's BNB token was down by 5.3% to trade at $645, whereas Polygon's Matic token was trading down by 1.2% to trade at $0.64. Simultaneously, Doge, the popular meme coin, DogeCoin was trading down by 0.3% at $0.14, and Polkadot's.token was up by 0.5% to trade at $6.5. However, Solana's SOL was up 0.3% and was trading at $160. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2% to trade at $0.4. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $32.8, higher by 1%. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.6%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, down by 0.3%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Crypto investment products took on nearly $2 billion in inflows last week to help extend a 5-week run to over $4.3 billion, asset manager CoinShares said in a Monday report. Trading volumes in exchange-traded products rose to $12.8 billion for the week, up 55% from the week prior. Bitcoin led investment activity at over $1.97 billion inflows for the week, while Ether saw its best week of inflows since March at nearly $70 million. Meanwhile, some traders expect the inflows into ETH products to continue in the coming months, with a rally expected towards the end of the year. South Korea's financial watchdog, the Financial Services Commission, issued guidelines clarifying when non-fungible tokens can be treated as virtual assets. On June 10th, local media outlet News One reported that the FSC will regulate NFTs similar to crypto if they don't possess traits that differentiate them from virtual assets. According to the regulator, NFTs that are mass-produced, divisible, and can be used as payment will be considered virtual assets. NFTs with little to no value at all will be treated differently. This applies to NFTs being used in ticketing or digital certificate NFTs. In these cases, they are classified as general NFTs. Despite this, the FSC noted that it will distinguish collections through a case-to-case review. This means there would be no absolute standard in interpreting NFTs as crypto. The exploiter behind the $82 million Orbit chain hack over New Year's Eve has moved $47.7 million to cryptocurrency privacy mixer Tornado Cash after 5 months of silence. A total of 12,932 Ether worth $47.7 million was moved across 7 transactions on June 8th to a new address, which sent the funds to crypto mixer Tornado Cash, according to blockchain analytics firm Arkham Intelligence. It was widely reported that the exploit caused $82 million in losses, but Arkham's recent post suggests it was close to $100 million. Hackers stole $542.7 million in cryptocurrencies in the first quarter of 2024, a 42% increase from the same period in 2023. Interestingly, smart contract hacks fell 92% to $179 million in 2023, down from a staggering $2.6 billion in 2022. The African Development Bank and technology giant Intel have joined forces to equip 3 million Africans and 30,000 government officials with advanced artificial intelligence skills. According to a statement on the AFDB's website, the collaboration aims to revolutionize the African digital ecosystem. The initiative aims to equip many Africans with skills in advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, and data science, which are crucial for boosting economic growth and productivity across Africa. The partnership aims to train Africans in AI, allowing the continent to play a more active role in the technology's development and contribute to its ongoing innovation. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has announced that Cardano Nodes 9.0 release is set for June, marking the start of the volatile age. The Chang hard fork will transition the blockchain to a new era of decentralized governance, allowing community participation in decision-making processes. The first part of this era will implement governance features as per CIP 1694, enabling decentralized voting. The second part will advance these features, allowing proxy participation and treasury withdrawals. Cardano has also launched Node version 8.9.2, addressing a critical issue in its peer-to-peer sharing networking feature. Next on the list, we have XRP. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a sell-off, with XRP experiencing a 103% surge in the trading volumes. This surge is attributed to the increased attention on XRP amid a market turmoil. In the last 24 hours, $410 million in liquidations have occurred, the highest highest total since mid-April. XRP trading volume has doubled, reaching $2.21 billion. The market tumbled on Friday due to a strong non-farm payrolls number in May, raising concerns about the Federal Reserve's ability to lower interest rates. In another announcement, Russian President Vladimir Putin has confirmed that BRICS Group is developing an independent payment system to reduce reliance on existing systems. A document from the Russian central bank suggests that the group may consider using XRP for cross-border transactions. Next on the list, we have Friend.tech. Friend.tech, a prominent Web3 social networking platform, has announced plans to collaborate with Conduit to develop its native blockchain. The platform's native Friend token has surged by 15% to $0.96. Friend.tech plans to launch Friend Chain, a proprietary blockchain that uses the Friend token as a fully transferable gas token. The project's announcement has sparked mixed reactions within the community, with some analysts viewing it as a natural progression, while others caution it might impede growth. Next on the list, we have Base. Ethereum Layer 2 network, Base, has reached $8 billion in TVL, surpassing optimism just days after. L2B data shows that the TVL value is now $8.05 billion, including assets worth $2.14 billion locked in Ethereum and $5.92 billion in locally minted assets. Base, backed by Coinbase, surpassed OP Mainnet, the largest blockchain network in the superchain ecosystem, and is now the second largest Ethereum scaler in terms of TVL value. The network experienced an 8-fold increase in the last 104 days. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin has seen an 8.3% price drop in the past 24 hours, but a 96% surge in trading volume to $1 billion, and it has been driven by $1 million transaction surge. According to data from Into the Block, DogeCoin whale transactions have soared by 46.6% in 24 hours, acquiring $4.2 billion Doge. These massive buy-ups represent 27.78 billion bags by large traders, with trade sizes representing $100,000 or more. DogeCoin is considered one of the top 10 coins with a highly affinity for whale buy-ups, and the 27.78 billion bags purchased are considered a vote of confidence.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.